Welcome to IDST. Let's explore an important topic shaping the future of defense and global security. I'm the founder and director of International Defense Security and Technology, a California-based nonprofit think tank dedicated to research and analysis on global defense, security, and emerging technologies. I also serve as CEO of Interplanix LLC, a New Mexico-based company advancing satellite risk analysis, orbital debris forecasting, and space security frameworks to ensure mission assurance and resilience. Previously, I served in leadership roles at India's Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO. Most recently as Director of the Systems Analysis, Modeling, Safety, and Quality Cluster at DRDO Headquarters, New Delhi. This channel brings you deep insights into the global security ecosystem, from geopolitics and emerging military technologies to cyber, space, and system-level analysis of tech trends and their interrelationships. Subscribe and join us as we decode the forces shaping the future of global defense and human security.
What if we could simulate a disease before it ever develops, or predict the perfect treatment for a patient without ever setting foot in a lab? That's no longer science fiction. It's the daily reality of computational biology software, a game-changing fusion of biology, data science, and artificial intelligence that's reshaping the frontiers of medicine, genetics, and biotechnology. In today's digital era, the challenges of biology have outgrown the petri dish. With billions of DNA sequences, protein structures, and patient records generated daily, traditional experimentation simply can't keep up. This is where computational biology software steps in, transforming raw biological data into models, predictions, and life-saving solutions. So, what exactly is this software doing behind the scenes? At its core, it's all about translating the language of life, genes, proteins, cells into computable data. Tools like BLAST help researchers compare DNA sequences across species. PyMol and Chimera let scientists visualize proteins in 3D. Autodoc simulates how drugs interact with their targets at the molecular level. And platforms like Star or DWA process entire genomes in hours, not months. These are not just apps, they're engines of discovery driving breakthroughs across genomics, proteomics, systems biology, and more. Let's take a closer look at how these tools are transforming real-world research. In genomics, they're identifying the mutations responsible for rare diseases or cancer. In proteomics, they're uncovering new drug targets by analyzing the protein machinery within our cells. Drug discovery has been turbocharged by simulation tools that can test thousands of compounds virtually before they're ever synthesized in a lab. Systems biology platforms model how genes and proteins interact, helping us decode complex diseases from a network perspective. And in structural biology, visual tools allow researchers to manipulate 3D models of molecules to design custom therapeutics. These applications are accelerating science, saving costs, and revealing insights we never could have reached before. What makes this software so powerful isn't just the science, it's the design. Many platforms are open source and freely available to the global research community. Others offer user-friendly graphical interfaces, so even scientists without coding skills can conduct complex analyses. And because modern tools run on cloud infrastructure, even small labs or universities in remote regions can access computational power once reserved for elite institutions. Whether you're running a basic genome alignment or simulating cell behavior in silico, today's tools are scalable, fast, and increasingly democratized. Of course, no system is without its limitations. Biological data is messy, noisy, heterogeneous, and often incomplete. Integrating datasets from different formats can be difficult. High-end tools and servers can still be prohibitively expensive for some institutions. And as machine learning plays a larger role in predictions, we must be mindful of bias in algorithms and ensure transparency in how decisions are made. But these challenges are being tackled. Standardization, open data initiatives, and collaborative software development are making tools more reliable and accessible every day. Looking ahead, the future of computational biology is nothing short of revolutionary. Artificial intelligence is driving a new generation of tools that don't just analyze data, they learn from it. Imagine personalized medicine platforms that simulate a patient's response to different therapies in real time, or cloud-based ecosystems that alert researchers worldwide the moment a new pathogen is detected. Already, we're seeing AI-powered drug discovery platforms, real-time genomic surveillance tools, and software capable of predicting protein folding with near-perfect accuracy. These breakthroughs are pushing science into a new era. In the end, computational biology software is much more than code. It's a digital microscope into the mechanics of life, a bridge between raw data and biological insight. From designing next-general drugs to forecasting disease outbreaks, these tools are turning possibility into practice. As biology and technology continue to converge, one thing is certain. The future of science will be written in algorithms, simulated in software, and powered by data.